Hey guys, it's Josh with PALASSIS Media, and today I'm going to show you how to shaboom create a ClickFunnels account and give you a few tips as to why I love it so much. So when you get to ClickFunnels, and by the way, I'll have the link in the description down below. I really appreciate it if you guys could use my link to sign up. It doesn't cost you anything else, it just helps me out, and that's something I'll actually get to in a future video if you're interested as to why. So fill in all your information, sign up. It's a 14-day free trial, so don't worry, you're not going to be charged anything, even though you do have to enter your credit card information like you do for pretty much every trial. If for some reason you're really not satisfied with the program after the 14 days, which I highly doubt you will not be satisfied, you can always cancel anytime, then you won't be charged. So anyways, boom, sign up, log in, then you come to your dashboard. So I'm going to pretty much just take you kind of through some of the menu options, give you an idea of how to get settled into ClickFunnels, and then I'll have future videos talking about now how to create funnels, how to do different things, create an email list, all that kind of stuff. Sorry, my messages keep popping up. Okay, so if you're like me, which not many people seem to be like me, probably why I don't have any friends. Anyways, I like to go through whenever I download a new software, a new app, I get a new phone, whatever it might be. I go through everything. I go through all the settings. I get out of here. I figure it out. I like to get kind of deep into the program, so that way when I come back into it, I'm not like, oh no, what is this? I don't know what this is. So I like to go through everything. So what I suggest, as soon as you sign up, do the basics. Just get comfortable. Go into your account details. This is just your kind of personal ClickFunnels address. Mine's PALASSIS Media for obvious reasons. Go in your profile, edit you can do the address, shirt size in case they want to send you a shirt, profile photo, just make it nice and homey, because this is going to be kind of a home for you, especially if you're in affiliate marketing, you're a digital marketer, you want to send this program to clients, send them share funnels, all this kind of stuff. You probably don't know what that is yet, but get out of here. No. So anyways, just get comfy, kind of go around here. Account billing, this is where you can, like I said, cancel the account if you want, or make sure your credit card information is correct there. So let's just go through all this right now. Account details, we know. Integrations is something. Once you get more into the ClickFunnels, then you have other programs that if you want to use MailChimp, which is a free mail software. If you have Zapier, which is here, a bunch of other programs that you can integrate. This is kind of more advanced. We'll get into that another time, so don't worry about that. Domains, you can actually purchase domains within ClickFunnels. So if you're creating a landing page for a client, or for yourself, whatever it might be, you don't have to go through GoDaddy or other websites if you don't want to. You can actually do it all within ClickFunnels, and they'll manage your web hosting, which is real nice. These we don't worry about right now. SMTP is for mail settings, so again, we won't worry about that right now. And again, this is just billing, affiliates. Actually, this is kind of why I want you to sign up under my link. And I'll get into this later, because this is something I want to teach you guys how to do, because it's pretty awesome, honestly. But for this video, it's pretty much just how to make a ClickFunnels account and why it's so great. And this is actually part of it. Again, so help. Honestly, their customer service is great. I received probably all my replies within 10 hours, and they help me all the time. All my questions have been answered, no problem. Backpack is something I don't even want to get into, because I don't even fully understand it yet. But pretty much, because I have the full Edison Suite version, which is like $297 a month, so it's definitely not cheap. But I wouldn't be paying for something that's not cheap if it wasn't worth it. So Backpack actually lets you sign up affiliates, and it's not like there's regular affiliates here, which you can make your commission off of. But then these affiliates are like, let's say you're watching my video, you're like, all right, I want to do this kind of stuff. I want to make money on the side, but I don't want to have to set everything up, and I don't really get it all. So what you can do is pretty much go out, get people to sign up under my link and my name. And if you do that, I give you a percentage and a cut of it. So you're my personal affiliate. You're not just somebody that signed up and you go do it 100% yourself, and I make just maybe my monthly recurring commission off you. This is actually like we kind of work together. So I'll get into that maybe eventually, another time. And if I find that enough of you people are watching my videos, liking the content, then maybe I'll actually set something like this up so we can kind of help each other out. Anyways, Actionetics is more so for the Edison Suite. Like I said, the full version. The regular version is $97 a month US. This is cool because instead of using, like I showed you earlier, MailChimp, you can, right here, MailChimp or any other auto email software, which is free, mind you. Actionetics lets you pretty much gather emails, create lists, send broadcasts out to mass people, create action funnels, which is really cool. So right from gathering emails from your funnels, you can actually go into your Actionetics, and you can see here I have like 30 days of emails, 32 days, and they'll be added into the email list, which was the affiliate bootcamp. And then boom, I send out these emails. It just does it automatically. It's pretty great, and it's all integrated within the same program, so I don't have to go between a million different things, which is very nice. Especially if you've been doing this for a while, like me, you know how convenience is key. So now we go into our actual funnels. This is the bread and butter of what ClickFunnels is. I'm not going to show you right now how to make a funnel, but just give you an idea of what it looks like. So let's go, what's something I've done here? This one was nice. This is a real estate trial that I did for a client. So pretty much you make a funnel. This is kind of what it looks like. You have the different steps here, which obviously the first is the opt-in page where you gather emails, offer them some kind of value. Okay, so let's just go. So see how I have a custom domain here as well. So if it said, if I didn't buy a custom domain, it'd be like clickfunnels.c3dz@o whatever, blah, 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 blah. And then it doesn't look very appealing, especially for someone that clicked off of a Facebook ad. It looks, well, it doesn't look very trustworthy. And that's a big thing in all this, is looking real, which this is real. So anyways, I got that. Yeah, so this is the, initial, so after Facebook, after the Facebook ad or whatever kind of ad it might be, they click here, wish you had the key to understanding the real estate game. These are top 10 things you need to know before hiring a realtor. So just enter your information, get your free guide, a little bit of reassurance as to who this guy is. I don't want to enter my stuff because I don't want to get the automated email. So then I would go to this page. If it loads. Nice background. I want this house. I like it. Yeah, so the guide will be sent directly to their email, which is nice. Again, you can set that all up within Actionetics. And then again, you can have actual call tracking numbers. The cool thing about this is, and I'll show that maybe in another video, this isn't his real number, as far as I remember. Yeah, this isn't his real number. This is using the software called CallRail right here. We'll talk about that some other time. You pretty much buy a phone number and you link it to their actual phone number. And when they call it or click it or whatever, it'll actually record the call, track the calls, give you all the information you need. It's great. It's honestly great. Anyways, go to my free guide now. So it looks like a kind of legitimate website, you know what I mean? 10 things, you write out a little list of why they should hire or need to hire a realtor, blah, 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 blah. And then you can schedule a free consult. Kind of goes back to that other page, but a different refined version. So it looks like it's all these different web pages, but I don't know if you guys have been following. This is literally, you have like one option, hence funnel. And that's what a whole funnel is you literally make it look like a legitimate page, but at the end of the day, click here to schedule a free consultation, click here to schedule a free consultation. It's literally, it's one kind of option, and then boom, they're led to, all right, well, I guess I might as well schedule a free consultation. Yeah, I don't know, I'm kind of going on a rant now, but that's the beauty of funnels. And I think no, actually, I didn't even explain this in the beginning. For those of you that don't even know what ClickFunnels is, it is more or less a funnel building software that you can use for your affiliate marketing purposes, actual clients, if you have clients for a business. And it's great. You create an ad somewhere, whether it's Google, Facebook. You have an email list maybe that you want to send people directly to these funnels. They go in, they enter their email for some value, and now that you have those emails, you can add them to a list here, then you can send an action funnel out. You can remind them, hey guys, I have all this content, blah, 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 blah. And it's just great for generating leads for customers, or for clients, generating sales for online stores, generating everything and anything you could ever want. So that's pretty much it. That's ClickFunnels in a nutshell. That's me. Hello. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Oh, you can see here a little tease. I just started this affiliate program. This was nice. This was one day. Someone signed up under me with the full Edison suite. So I got 118. That's American, I think. Yeah, 118 American per month for this person. And again, I will show you guys all about this. It doesn't cost you anything else to sign up under someone's affiliate link, but it definitely helps out the affiliate. And all I'm about is helping you guys out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this first video. ClickFunnels is wunderbar, and I hope you guys decide to sign up. And again, I'll be making a lot more content trying to help you guys learn how to use it, learn how to use all these different software that I use. You can see this whole tab list here is literally all the stuff that I use for my business. Some of it is simple. I can just make like a 30-second video showing you how. This is kind of longer just because I wanted to get some of the stuff out of the way. It's the first video, so I'm also, you know, trying to gauge my recording skills here, make sure everything flows out nicely, as minimal ums and ahs as possible. So I'm just gonna end it there because I could probably just ramble on forever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it helped a little bit just to maybe kind of familiarize you with the program, with ClickFunnels. It might be a little expensive for some of you. I know $97 a month or $297 a month for the full version. It's not cheap. It's definitely not the Netflix priced. But if you're using this for the purposes that I use it for, and you're serious about this kind of stuff, trust me, it's one of the best purchases or one of the best investments, I should say, that you'll probably make in your business. Not to mention the crazy amounts of free training that Russell Brunson, the guy that made ClickFunnels, he has an insane amount of free training, which is awesome. You can probably see actually every time you sign in, there's always like an ad here for, yeah, there you go. Sign me up for a free demo on how to kind of use ClickFunnels. So they offer a lot of their own in-house free training, which is dope. Yeah, I'm going to just sign off for now. So again, I'm Josh with PALASSIS Media. I'll leave all the links in the description below, and I appreciate you guys listening into my first video. This was awesome. For anyone that wants to make videos like this, by the way, Command-Shift-5 on a Mac, and I'm sure you can probably still see this, now you can actually choose how to screenshots. You can capture selected entire screen, or you can ding 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 record, which is what I'm doing. And then you can obviously add now, it doesn't show it now because I'm still recording, but you can add like which mic you want to use, all that kind of stuff. Anyways, again, I'll cut it here. See you guys in the next video and have a great day.